Hello everyone, I am Muthuselvi, Department of Commerce with Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Application, Dr.SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to present my lecture video in the course name of Functional Accounting in the topic of depreciation. First, we discuss about the meaning of depreciation. Depreciation is the process of rationally and systematically allocating to the expenditure of the cost of the plant asset over its useful life. The firm typically owns a variety of large-lived assets such as buildings, equipment, and vehicles. The period of services is known as the asset's useful life. Since a building is expected to be serviced for many years on the date it is acquired, it is recorded as an asset rather than an expense. For example, assume we want to buy a machine for our company. We spend rupees 3 lakhs to buy it. We usually call then an investment in the fixed assets. We could also call it capital expenditure. It assumes that the machine has a useful economic life of 10 years. We have no residual value. If we use the straight line depreciation, yeah, our book shows rupees 30,000 per year as the depreciation. The value of the asset in the balance sheet shown by the 30,000 per year as the depreciation. Next, we are going to discuss about the features of depreciation. Depreciation is a revenue expenditure. Depreciation is the revenue expenditure. It occurs on fixed assets. It is not visible. Depreciation is an invisible cost. Depreciation is a non-cash expense. Unlike other expenses, depreciation does not cost any cash. Depreciation is not the actual cost, it is in a kind of estimated cost. Depreciation is not charged on any current or short-term asset. Depreciation is usually imputed on fixed assets. Depreciation is charged on considering the three elements. First one is cost, price of asset, the life of the asset, useful life of the asset, then salvage value. This is the main features of depreciation. Third one, importance of depreciation. Why we are charging the depreciation means we have to know the true profit or loss position, or we have to know the determining the true financial position of a particular concern. Every year we have to calculate the depreciation. Next importance for charging depreciation is replacement of fixed asset, then maintenance of capital value, then ascertainment of the actual cost of the production. How much of unit, how much of value quantity we have to produce. Uh, we are deciding based on the charging depreciation. Next, for dividend payment, then to maintain the accuracy of the value of the asset. Then we know the tax liability of the asset. That's purpose we have to maintain or charging the depreciation yearly wise for a particular asset for a company or a firm. Next, reason for charging depreciation. Why we are charging depreciation? There are two main reasons for charging depreciation. That one is internal reasons and external reasons. Internal reasons, continually we are using the various types of fixed assets such as building, machinery, etc. Results in a reduction in its efficiency and the value. This is one of the reason for depreciation. Next reason for depreciation is delegation Uh, Deeply Depreciation occurs on the result of the continuous exertion of the reasons for the mindset. Then wealth has the continuous lifespan. Lifetime process, that is production capacity, gradually decreases. As a result, they also no longer useful. For example, time narration is one of the reasons for the depreciation. Depreciation is also occurs here, result of uh, result of de- deteriorations. Hmm. Next, external reasons. External reasons worthless as a result of valuation over a time. After a time period, we can't use the particular asset. For example, plant, lease, etc. These are the main reason for charging depreciations. Hmm. Internal reason and external reason. Every year, the company have to calculate the certain percentage of certain rate of percentage of depreciation in a particular asset, and we deduct the depreciation amount from the particular asset, and it will be shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account, and it will be deducted in the particular assets in the balance sheet. Then only we have to know the true value of the fixed asset, and we have to identify the true profit and loss portion of the particular company. That's why we are calculating the depreciation yearly wise. Thank you.